Pankar's mail. Okay. He's called me now. He's called me. Okay. Morning, Chief. Are you good, sir? Are you free right now? Just wanted to show you a Google Hangout. I am on it. So I am already on Hangout. Pankaj is there on Hangout. Rajesh is there on Garwa. Rajesh Garwa is there on. Yeah, it is an important thing. Yeah. Yeah. The reason, okay, now this one, why we are on Google Hangout is, the reason is you. We are showing you the video of NAR on Hangout. That was the idea. Okay. So so to get on the Hangout, Pankaj is going to send you a mail. Okay. So you just click on that link and you will be on Hangout. Sorry, Rajesh Bhai is going to send you. Okay. Okay, on your email. No problem. You take your 10 minutes. I want to see how smart you're looking today. I want to see what shirt you're wearing today. Okay, good. I like that brand. Bye. रईश भाई,
Okay.
जब तक आप सामने वाले की फायदे की बात नहीं करेंगे तो of course he respects me, तो even if he's not his फायदे का तो he has to come. But I told him where he was taking 15-20 minutes, he made it to 10 minutes. I told him भाई NR दिखा रहा है तेरे को. नहीं, वो सामने वाले की अगर काम की बात करे ना तो उसको भी इंटरेस्ट आता है ना. नहीं तो फितरत है अपनी ह्यूमन. तो you got to just send him that link.
Right. I have sent it.
You sent it. Fantastic.
Yeah. I just, I'm still in that word, your words. I'll get good exposure here. Still, I'm sending.
Yes. When I say, I mean it, because I work with people who I like only. I don't work first for money. I work first for the person. Money comes by itself. That's my policy. And me and Pankaj has also made a lot of deals. But now that he's become big, he doesn't work with small people like us. Oh, I thought he's not hearing. This is purposely I said, to see whether any expression comes from him. He's filled with expressions.
No. I'm just trying to see where those videos are.
See, I may not be expressive initially because I more or less I want to learn many things in life, people, how they react and how they deal with others. So once I'll be comfortable with that, I can be more comfortable, more expressive.
No, Rajesh bhai, you be yourself first, and this is what you are yourself. Okay, that's why I connected with you. Okay.
Okay.
So you be yourself. That is be the best in life. If you try to be what Pankaj wants you to be, what I want you to be, then I will not be your partner. There is a lot of things to it, because naturally, the reason that I went on to talk all these things is because I'm seeing your expression since morning that we've got onto the video, and Pankaj has never seen me speaking like this before. Have you seen Pankaj?
No.
He's never
but I'm
seen
finding
me.
one thing I want to compliment you. Your expression to express is becoming more sharper and more clearer. You're becoming a good speaker.
अरे अभी इलेक्शन आ रहा है ना, बात करने का ना, तो प्रैक्टिस चले भाई. अच्छा, राजेश भाई, somebody is talking in your house or Pankaj's house?
No, it's mine actually.
Okay, fine. This is your house that I see? This is your house that I see? This is your office? I cannot hear you now. Okay, now I can.
Can you hear me? It's my
now
office
I can hear you. This is your office?
Yeah.
Oh, you're in Singapore or India? You know, you might have heard कि अरे बहुत अच्छा office है. So I said it in a nutshell. It's a fantastic office that you have. I'm very impressed. कौन सी location में आपका ये? Hello. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you.
I just come out one
Yeah,
minute.
actually, I'm based in Chandni Chowk, Kothur. It is Rai Dusari colony. So
Okay.
there are like hills three side of my setup and everything. So it is very beautiful location. There again NDA road is there. So it's like Lonavala. You can
Okay.
see like Pune ka pura yani aerial view type दिखता
I
है.
used to go for my dates in this area only when your office was not never there.
Okay, yeah, it was Devon area.
So I know this. So I know this area very well. But those buildings were not there those days. And right up till yeah. It
Yeah.
used to be. Still, it is a beautiful place.
Yeah.
And yours
Yeah.
is an IT office, is it?
IT. It's
Yeah. So this is
behind
your
Lohia
cabin.
Jain IT Park.
I was just going to ask you कि whether you are close to anywhere. You bought that place?
No, not exactly.
Rent.
Not right
On
now.
rent.
It's
Okay. I work with him also. This
Okay.
Loya Jain. I work with them also. So
Okay.
this is the building. He was actually talking to me regarding giving it on rental, and he had some shops to be given. There are some showrooms also down.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the right building that I'm talking about.
Yes.
And coming back to this thing, what I told you, this is in fact I got the idea just now. कि how we can work it out, and sure it can be. Uh, execution is something which is very important.
Right.
You are a technical person. You cannot go and sell what you want to sell.
Right.
You can just make things happen in a at a snap of your finger and say, "Okay, this is what I have for you, boss. Tell me what you want me to do more." This is your mind. You would like to be in that space.
Right.
Okay. And Pankaj, of course, he's a mix of everything. Okay. Yeah, we can talk because he's not listening right now, so we can talk little extra about him.
yes. Yeah,
नहीं तो बीच में सरक जाएगा वो.
मिसाइल आएगा.
वो सरक गया था, जब बीच में सरक गया था वो, इसलिए मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा लाया लाइन पे, because I know each and every expression of his, and we are very close friends. So I can say anything to him, he can say anything to me, and next day we are friends as the same, like there's no problem. So only we can also talk to each other कि where we got hurt or whatever. So he is come back now. अच्छा उन्हें लगा दिया है कान पे. अभी now we will not talk anything against him. Okay? I hope he is not listening.
You know, it is already recorded, so I'll just go and.
I'll cut it, I'll trim it, and I'll send you.
Okay. Now, very good idea I got. That
This
Rajesh,
recording I had not thought.
Rajesh, what you do? Many times I forget that I'm not aware of what I'm speaking. That it is recording to the whole world. You can see.
Oh yeah, so we got to be very careful.
Yeah. Now, what I want to tell you, Rajesh,
Yes.
is that we will shut down this hangout, start a new hangout on air, and send that invite link to Ravi Verma, so that the recording will start from Ravi Verma, because he's a great speaker, which you will see, and then it will be easy for me to cut those parts where he makes this golden words.
So, are you going to host it?
No, yeah, we'll need it. We will lead him. Gladwin will lead him to say some very valuable nuggets, golden nuggets, because every time he speaks very valuable words in a very great style. Agreed with me, Gladwin?
Yes.
So when he comes on the hangout, I want that to be the starting. It will be easy, because now this has gone on for more than 30-40 minutes. Rather than him coming at the ending, of course I can cut it, but just to be sure, when you're sending him a link, which he will click on.
Yeah, so let us take a 5 minutes break and come exactly up at 12:15 sharp.
What do you say,
Okay.
Rajesh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you will
Fine.
host the hangout
Okay, no problem. I will.
and put it on air,
Okay.
and as soon as he comes in, start the recording, not before that.
All right. Definitely.
Let us wait for him. because and as you've sent him, when he says 10 minutes, he means it. Okay.
Okay,
So let's see.
we should wait for me.
Yeah, but the thing is that now don't send him this link of this hangout. You're starting a new fresh hangout on here.
Oh. So now that particular link he would not be able to come, is it?
No, you already sent him a link.
Yeah.
Yes. I have already sent the.
So no problem. Let it come.
Otherwise, what we'll do, we'll trim the like video, na?
Pardon me?
Video का